So, good morning, all of you. Today I am going to teach you the lesson Little Bobby. Little Bobby, as children. So, this is first unit C reading, children. C reading. Okay, A reading. Okay, A reading. The duck and the snake and the mirror. I have already taught you. And B reading. The duck and the kangaroo. That is a poem. That one also I taught you. Now I am going to teach you 1.C, children. It is Little Bobby. Little Bobby. Okay. Now let us see which kind of boy he was. Let us see, children. So first, the little Bobby came into kitchen where his mother was making dinner. Yes, children. So the little Bobby came into the kitchen. The little Bobby came into the kitchen. Yes, children. Where his mother was making dinner. Yes, children. So lunch actually mother makes afternoon. So when his mother was preparing dinner means it is night time. Yes, children. So it is night time. So Bobby came into the kitchen. So then mother was making dinner. His birthday was coming up, and he thought this was a good time to tell his mother what he wanted. Yes, children. His birthday was coming up. In that week only he is going to celebrate his birthday. So his birthday was coming up. So and he thought that Bobby, he refers to Bobby. Bobby thought that this was the good time to tell his mother what he wanted for his birthday. So he want one gift. So the gift what he want to ask his mother. So then the Bobby thought that yes, this was the correct time to tell what he wanted. What Bobby wanted. Next, children. Mom, I want a bike. Then Bobby says, Mom, I want a bike for my birthday. Yes, children. So he expresses his idea. He revealed what he wanted for his birthday. Next, children. Little Bobby was a bit of troublemaker. He had gotten into trouble at school and at home. Yes, children. So little Bobby was a little bit troublemaker, not completely naughty. Troublemaker means one who makes troubles to others. But in simply say naughty boy, naughty. Okay. But he is not completely naughty. He is a little bit troublemaker, children. Little bit troublemaker. He is a troublemaker not only at home but also at school. Next. Bobby's mother asked him if he thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. Yes. So Bobby's mother asked him if he thought he deserved means eligible. Deserve means eligible to get a bike for his birthday. So Bobby's mother asked, what is that? Bobby's mother asked him, Bobby, have you thought? Are you eligible to get a bike for this year? Why? Because this year you are not good, you are too naughty, so God will not, I don't give you. So first of all, are you eligible? Are you deserve? Deserve means eligible. Are you deserve or not? Have you questioned yourself? So mother raised thought in Bobby like that. Yes, children. Next, little Bobby, of course, thought he did. Little Bobby, of course, thought he did. Then Bobby thought and thought. Yes, mother said that, are you eligible? Did you eligible to get a bike for your body? Then Bobby, in Bobby thought raised, children. Bobby then thought and thought. Yes, children. Thought he did. Bobby's mother worried Bobby to reflect on his behavior over the last year and said, go to your room, Bobby. Go to your room, Bobby, and think about how you have behaved this year. Yes, Bobby's mother worried Bobby. Bobby's mother worried about Bobby to reflect. Reflect means think. To think on his behavior, on Bobby's behavior over the last year. Till now the year continued. So all this year, how you behaved, once you think, once you reflect. Reflect means think. Once you think, Bobby. So who asked? Bobby's mother asked Bobby and said, go to your room, Bobby, and think about how you behaved this year. First, Bobby, you go to your room, then you think how you have behaved this year. Then you know, are you eligible? Did you eligible or not? Then you know. So like that, mother raised thought in the mind of Bobby. Next, then write a letter to God and tell him why you deserve a bike for your birthday. Why you deserve bike for your birthday. Yes, children. Then his mother asked, first you go to room, then write a letter to God. Write a letter to God and then write a letter to God and tell him why you deserve a bike, why you are eligible for a bike for your birthday. If you are eligible, okay. Why you are eligible bike for your birthday? Write a letter to God. Then God will tell you. Then you will know whether you are eligible or not. You are eligible or not, then you will know. Then you know. So first you go to room and ask God, write a letter to God and ask why you are deserve to get a bike for your birthday. So like that, who asked whom? Bobby's mother asked Bobby. Yes, children, next pair onwards I am continuing. Little Bobby stumped up the steps to his room. Jessie, his pet dog, followed him. Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to God. Jessie sat beside him and started watching what Bobby was doing. Once again, children. Little Bobby stumped up the steps to his room. Jessie, his pet dog, followed him. Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to God. Jessie sat beside him and started watching what Bobby was doing. Yes, children. Children, here little Bobby stumped up the steps to his room. Yes, his mother asked him, first you go to room and then write a letter to God ask why you are deserved to get a bike for your birthday. That's why Bobby with angry he went upstairs with stumped up steps. Stumped up means taking heavy steps with noise. Okay, so taking heavy steps with noise, he went up to the room. Jesse, his pet dog, followed him. Who is Jesse? His pet dog, children. So first he gone upstairs. Next Jesse followed him. Who is Jesse? His pet dog. Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to God. Bobby thought for some time. Bobby thought for some time. Yes, children. Bobby thought. Bobby thought for some time and he started to write a letter to God. He started to write a letter to God. Jesse sat beside him. Yes, the dog sat beside him and started watching what he was doing. And started watching what he was doing. What Bobby was doing. So Bobby now ready to write a letter to God. He started writing to letter. So first letter, children. Letter 1. Dear God, I have been a very good boy this year and I would like a bike for my birthday. I want a red one. Your friend Bobby. Children, letter 1. Dear God, I have been a very good boy this year. He is telling that this year he is a very good boy. The completed year, he is a very good boy. He is telling. That's why I would like to bike for my birthday. That is I want a red one. That's why Bobby, he is wishing God to send a bike for his birthday. That is red one, red bike. Your friend Bobby. Bobby knew that this was not true. Yes, Bobby wrote that he was very good boy. But Bobby knew that he was not very good. He had not been a very good boy this year. Bobby knew. So he tore up the letter and started again to write another letter. Yes, children. That's why Bobby wrote first letter by saying that he is very good. He was very good. But Bobby knew he was not very good. That's why first he wrote, but later he tore up the letter and he started to write another letter. Letter 2. Dear God, this is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you. Your friend Bobby. Yes, children. Letter 2. In this letter, he wrote that, Dear God, this is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year. So I would red bike. Okay, I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you. Your friend Bobby. Yes, children. In second letter he is telling that. In first letter he said that very good boy. In second letter just he tells that good boy only. Okay, all this year I was very good boy. I was good boy only. I was good boy. So I would like a red bike for my birthday. Please send. So he is requesting like that. Who is requesting? Bobby is requesting God like that. Not requesting. Bobby is writing. Bobby wrote second letter like that to God. But Bobby knew that this was not true either. So he tore up the letter and started again. Yes, Bobby knew. Bobby knew that he was not true. He was not good. It was not true. He was not good. In first letter he wrote that very good. He knows that he was not very good. That's why he tore up. In second letter what he wrote, he was just good. But he knew that he was not good. That's why second letter also he tore up and started again. Again third letter. What is the third letter? Dear God, I have been an okay boy this year. I have been an okay boy this year. I still would really like a bike for my birthday. Bobby. Children, in third letter, he is telling that he is just okay boy. Okay. In first letter, he said that very good boy, very good boy, very good boy. In second letter, he said that good boy, good boy. Very good boy, it is not true. Good boy also, it is not true. That's why in third letter he wrote that okay boy, just okay. But Bobby knew he could not. But Bobby knew he could not send. He could not send this letter to God either. So Bobby wrote the fourth letter. Yes, children. Children, Bobby knew that he was not very good. That's why he tore up first letter. Bobby knew that he was not good. That's why he tore up second letter. Bobby knew that even he is not just okay. That's why he tore up the third letter also. Then he started to write fourth letter, children. Letter 4. God, I know I have not been a good boy this year. I am very sorry. I will be a good boy if you just send me a bike for my birthday. Please, thank you, Bobby. Thank you, Bobby. So, children, fourth letter. I know I have not been a good boy this year. Then he accepted, children. Bobby accepted about himself. Bobby accepted about himself. How he accepted? I am not very good. I am not good boy this year. I am not good boy this year. I am very sorry. If you send me the bike, I will be a good boy. If you just send me a bike, if you send me the bike, then I will be a good boy. He is telling like that. That's why a bike for my birthday. Send a bike to my birthday, please. Thank you. He said like that. In second letter also, he tore up and started writing third letter. And then in third letter, he mentioned that just a okay boy. But in fact, Bobby knew at least he was not okay. That's why he tore up the third letter and started writing fourth letter. In fourth letter, he accepted that I am not a good boy, or I have not been a good boy this year. So I shall be the good boy if you send me the bike. If you send me the bike. So like that he said. But Bobby knew what that he accepted his mistake. So definitely he did mistake. So God will not send him bike. He knew that. That's why he tore up the letter. He tore up even the fourth letter also. So 4 letters he wrote and he tore up. He tore them. He tore them up as children. So continuation, children. Next page. Bobby knew even if it was true, this letter was not going to get him a bike. Yes, he accepted his mistake. Yes, he wrote in fourth letter, I have not been a good boy all this year. But definitely Bobby knew that this letter can't give him a new bike. Yes. Next. Now Bobby was very upset. He wrote 4 letters, children, but in 4 letters also he knew that he was not very good, he was not good, he was not okay, he was not so whatever it may be, he is not at all good. Bobby knew that. That's why, so 4 letters he tore up, whatever it may be, finally Bobby was upset. Very upset. He went downstairs and told his mom that he wanted to go to church. Yes. So whatever it may be, he was angry, he was very sad. Then he came downstairs. From upstairs he came downstairs and said his mother, I wanted to go to church. I wanted to go to church. Who said to whom? Bobby said to Bobby's mother. Next, Bobby's mother, that her plan had worked out as Bobby looked very sad. Bobby mother thought that Bobby mother was thinking that Bobby mother thought that my plan had been worked out. My plan had been worked out. Yes means because my plan had been worked out because he was sad. His face is very sad. His face was very sad. So Bobby's mother thought that her plan had been worked out. Looked very sad. Just be home in time for dinner, Bobby's mother told him. Okay, you can go to church, but in time to the dinner, be at home. In time you come back. So mother replied like this. Next, Bobby walked down the street to the church on the corner. Bobby, he went out from the home. He entered into the street. He entered the street. He entered the street. Little Bobby went into the church and up to the altar. Then he entered into the church and then he reached up to the altar. Up to the altar means where they pray. Where they pray Jesus in the church, the stage, it will be like a stage. That one, the place is called as altar. So he entered into the church, he reached up to the altar. He looked around to see if anyone was there. Yes, children, he looked around in the church. For what? If it is there anyone or not. If it is there anyone or not. He looked around. Bobby bent down and picked up a small statue of Mary, the mother of God. The mother of God. Who is God here? Who is God in church? Jesus, as children. So he looked around in the church. No one is there around. No one is there in the church. Then he bent down. Then he picked up a small statue of Mary. A small statue of Mary. Who is Mary? The mother of God. The mother of Jesus. Next, he slipped the statue under his shirt and ran out of the church, down the street, into the house, and up to his room. Yes, children. He picked up a small statue of Mary, God, mother of God. So he kept under the shirt and he ran out of the church, into the street, to the home, up to his room. So he took the small statue of Mary into his room. Next, he shut the door of his room and sat down with a piece of paper and pen. Yes, children, as soon as he entered the room, immediately he closed the room and he shut the door of his room. He shut the door of his room, children. Then he took a paper and pen. Then he started writing a letter, fifth letter. Then Bobby began to write his letter to God. This is fifth letter, children. This is fifth letter. What will be there in letter? The content in letter I am telling you, children. I have kidnapped. Then Bobby was writing letter to God. What he was writing? I have kidnapped your mother. If you want to see her again, send me the bike. Bobby. This was the letter, children. This was a funny thing. Is it or not? Because he is a naughty boy. He is a troublemaker. Okay, he is just like your friend, 9th class student, like their child. Okay, yes, children. So that is lesson, children. So it's like a funny. Okay, this is about little Bobby, children. Okay, thank you one and all. This is the class for today.